Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be discussing about the control flow statements, or we can also call it as loops. So come on, let's dive into the Xcode. So we have different types of loops here. So the first one is for in loop. For example, we have this dictionary. Okay, the name of the dictionary is names and we have some names here. And now what I will do is for name in, see here, this and this is not same. You can use the same name also, but it will be confusing. In for name in names, okay, print name. So what I am saying is name in, you can item, you can also call it item or anything you want. So the meaning here is item in names. So what will happen is in the first iteration, this item is a temporary variable and it will hold the value of max, and in the second iteration this item will be storing the value of this Charles and Lewis, Lando, George, etc. Okay, so if I print it now, see, we got all the names here. So this is the first type of loop. Now this is an array. Okay, so what if you want to iterate over a dictionary? So I have a variable here, name for numbers, and 1 is Max, 16 is Charles, etc. So what you can do is for name comma number, or you can call it anything you want, in name for number. In the same way, print name, or what you can do is print the name is name and the number is number. We are also using string interpolation in this, and when you run this, the name is 4 and number is Lando, the name is 63 and number is George, the name is 16 and Charles. And as you know that dictionaries does not have any way of printing things. It is random. Okay, sometimes I may get Max first, sometimes I may get Charles first, Lewis first, and your result might be completely different. So there is no problem or no mistake in that. Okay, in this is how dictionaries were built. Now if you want, you can only iterate through these numbers or names. Okay, like as I have told you, key and value. So for name in name for number dot keys or values, print name. Let me comment out this, so it does not print anything. Now if I run this, we got all the values from this dictionary, and if I change this to keys, I got all the keys from this dictionary. Okay, now other than this for in loop, we also have a loop which is while loop. So let me show you that also. For example, var start equals 10, or not 10, 1, var end equals 10. Now while start is less than end, what I want is, I want to print anything, or I want to do any calculation or anything. So print subscribe. Okay, now the main part here where everyone make mistakes is, see, while start is less than end, it will print subscribe, that's fine, but when should it stop? At any one condition this should fail, right? At that time only this will stop. So what I will do is start plus plus, or I think we don't have any plus plus here. So 1 second, start plus plus, let me check this. Yeah, we don't have any plus plus, so scope start plus equals 1. Okay, so what I'm saying is, start every time after printing, my start variable should be increment by 1. Okay, so the first time it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., and when it comes to 10, this condition will get false and it will not print anything. So with subscribe, what I will do is, I will print start also, and when I run this, See, first time start was 1, right? So it printed subscribe 1. Now when it comes to this line, start was 1, it added 1, now start is 2. It checked this. 2 is less than 10, yes. Print subscribe 2. Coming to this line, 2 plus 1 is 3. Again checking for this condition. Is 3 less than 10? Yes. Subscribe 3. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is less than 10? Goes on and goes on. When it comes to 9, and after printing 9, when it comes here, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 is not less than 10. Okay, if we add equals here, then it will also print for 10, but we haven't add equals, right? So 10 is not less than 10, so it stopped with subscribe 9. So this is how while loop works. Whenever you start a while loop, you should check will it stop at any point of time, like this. Okay, at any point of time this should become false, so then only the loop will come out of that while. Now we also have another loop which is repeat while. So what I will do is repeat print hello while let me uncomment this, while start is less than end, and here I will increment start plus equals, let me do 5 here. Okay, so first time 1, it will add 5, it will become 6, and for 6 again it will add 5. Okay, so print hello and hello 2 times only. But let me tell you one this, let me remove this, and also let me make this false. 1 is not greater than 10, but if I run this now, hello has been printed 1 time. Why? See, the main difference in while and repeat while is, in while loop at start only the condition will be checked, like while start is less than end, if is this correct or not. But in repeat, first it will do the code, or it will compile, or it will run the code of this repeat, then it will check for the condition. So this is the main difference between while and repeat while. In repeat while, the code will run at least 1 time even if the condition is false. Okay, so these are the 3 loops we have in Swift programming language. The first one is for in, the second one is while, and the third one is repeat while. If you are enjoying my videos, I need you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.